welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful tulip for Easter. I use 5mm hook and yarn. Make magic circle. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Yarn over, make one chain. Yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7 half double crochet in here. I made half double crochet with these chains. We have 8 stitches in first round. Insert your hook into this chain, first chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make one chain, yarn over, go to first stitch in this hole. Make 1 half double crochet, pull through 3 yarns together. In here, insert your hook into this yarn. Take this yarn on your hook, third yarn. We have 1, 2, 3 yarns in here. Go to this yarn, go to next stitch in here, in this hole. Pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn on your hook, go to same stitch. Pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next stitch. Pull up yarn, take this yarn, go to same stitch. Make 2 half double crochet in each stitch. In first stitch, make one chain, 1 half double crochet. In next stitch, 2 half double crochet. In here, 2 half double crochet. Go to same stitch. Go to next stitch. Go to same stitch. Go to next stitch. Go to same stitch. Go to next stitch. Make in last stitch, go to this chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch. Make one chain, make 1 half double crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, make one half double crochet in each stitch. In first round we have 8 stitch. In second round 16 stitches, and continue with 16 stitches for next rounds. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, make one half double crochet in first stitch and continue like this. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rounds in here. Take this yarn, go to last stitch, make one half double crochet, go to first chain, slip stitch.